Welcome back to Farzana's art class. My today's lesson is how to draw a table clock. If you want to draw in color like me, please do not skip any part of this video. For table clock, today I'll use compass. You can see I drew one circle, and after that I drew two more circles inside of this circle. Now I'll draw its hour mark. After that, I'll draw its another part. For our point, you can draw a plus sign middle of this circle. And here are the final results. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and share. For more videos, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.